You
ray
didn't
of
know I was
sunshine
also
on a
a
wintry
magician
day.
and a meteorologist magician same time.
Can you magically make this snow go away?
Please.
No, I like the snow, except whenever I don't like when people have to travel in it. But of course, I like to see the snow coming down. Look at this scene. If you can stay inside and watch those flakes fly. Getting a live look at Center City, Philadelphia, up 16th Street. The snow is coming down, still mixed with a few raindrops, but those raindrops will become fewer and far between as we head throughout the morning hours. Temperature right now right around freezing, 33 degrees. Bit of a breeze out of the northeast at around 12 miles per hour, feeling like 24 degrees. Storm scan 3 getting busier and busier as we head throughout the morning. Whereas before, over the last hour, we had some, broken pockets there in the precipitation shield. Now those are starting to fill in, and we're seeing that wet snow and a little bit of rain mixed in, expansive across South Jersey, up and along the I-95 corridor, and now this precipitation starting to overspread up into our northwestern suburbs, the Lehigh Valley and Poconos, where it has been fairly quiet throughout the second half of the overnight period. But overnight last night, we picked up 3 inches of snow in Ridley Township and Delco, Nottingham picking up close to 3 inches, Haverford and Monco 2 inches, and already at PHL about a ½ an inch of wet snowfall. So future weather showing us as we head throughout the morning. There were some concerns we had yesterday about the potential for mixing that could reduce totals across South Jersey. Now looks like we'll see less mixing, more snow. So as we head into the second half of the morning, this is only going to get more and more intense with that rain snow line pushing more further off into the south and east. All snow north and west of the I-95 corridor and for a good chunk of the Delaware Valley, especially midday and into the early afternoon hours, where we could see snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. That's going to be the prime time for this storm. Then as we head into the second half of the afternoon, things will start to wrap up pretty quickly. And by the second half of your evening commute, we likely will not have falling snow, but we'll have to deal with everything that fell before that. So for today, a mix to heavy snow, blustery conditions, 38 degrees, a high temperature. For tonight, snow coming to an end early, clouds decreasing with a low temperature at 30 degrees. And as far as your snowfall forecast, we've expanded that 6 to 12 range a little bit east of the I-95 corridor. As I talked about, less mixing, Misha. So we're going to see more in the way of snowfall totals in these areas.